Today I show you an unboxing of two sets of bearings, and they are different standards. First I got these from AliExpress. I ordered them, and first I got one set. This is the ABEC 7, ABEC 7. These are some kind of standards for precision, so the higher the number, the more precise the bearing. And I need the bearing for the speed editor wheel for this thing. Let's see, it's moving, and I hope it's gonna fix that. Once I replace the bearing, hopefully that's gonna go away, that play. These ones are for miniature ball bearings, 686RS, that's the size, and it's for RC cars. That's perfect. Okay, I don't care what they're for. All I care about is that they're good quality, and I'm not sure about that. Fly leopard. Okay, let's see how this flying leopard is going. And some kind of labels here. It's order details, I guess. And I have also these ones. These are higher quality. These are the ABEC 9, or there are different names, different ways to call these, but these are 7, these are 9, so this should be more precise, hopefully. I think it's these ones, the bearings. So okay, these ones for RC cars. Let's see that. I'll open this one. Okay, I'll get out the Victorinox Farmer X. Something like that. Oh, there's even a card. Okay, some kind of bearing shop. I paid for this, so this is not a sponsored video. And okay, nothing else there. And these are the bearings here. 5 pieces, 686RS and blue. I guess it's some kind of design choice. 5 pieces, and these are the dimensions: 6 mm by 13 mm by 5. And miniature ball bearing, 686RS RC cars ball bearing. It's the same thing over and over again. I like the packing on this. It's really I like the packing on this. It's very interesting. It's vacuum packed. I like that. Vacuum sealed. So some kind of information about the seller. And they have even some information written on it, on them. Okay, let's see. I could really just pull from here. Okay, so that's one of them. You feel a bit of oil on it. There is a bit of oil on it. And it's written there, 686RS. I saw that on the speed editor when I was opening it, and I thought it's some kind of a brand or something. It's the type of ball bearing, the dimensions, and I like that. I like that they write this thing. So pretty simple. The inside can be moved and the outside can be fixed, or the inside can be fixed or the outside can be moved, like this. This is ball bearings. The difference between these is how much play they have. This radial play, lateral play, and I wouldn't be able to feel it with my hands. I have to install them. I would have to install them in the speed editor and see how they behave, how they work. But yeah, I'll put this carefully back here. I like that they have oil on them, and I could reseal this package, could put some tape over it just so I don't lose them, because I will probably not use those ones. I'll probably use these ones. These are supposed to be higher standard. These supposedly are higher quality than those ones, so because first I ordered those and then I realized I didn't know about these ball bearing standards for precision, but hopefully I know enough now to get the thing that's needed. Oh, this is more interesting. Is there anything else? Nothing else. Now I don't know if this is original, but it's supposed to be some kind of popular brand name for bearings, but this could be totally fake, so write in the comments below if you think these are fake. But the packing looks more interesting than the other ones. Still, this size of bearing is pretty popular. Okay, so I have those ones there, and this size of bearing is pretty popular, so I might use them for other things also. And there is some information about the shop. It's their resellers most of the time, they just resell. But I like the bark, it's interesting, this kind of yellow bug like that. It's their style. Oh, and this one is sealed, imagine. Okay, still some Chinese information there. And you see the difference? That's what I mean. This one is ABEC 7 and this one is ABEC 9. The writing on it looks very similar. It's the same style of font, same style of writing. 10 pieces ABEC 9 bearing, 6.8. Did I get the wrong side? I don't know, it doesn't say which one. This one. Outer diameter 686RS. Okay, number of pieces ABEC 9, 10 pieces. Some information about, yeah. I hope they're the same size, but if these ones are wrong, I can use those ones. But it's interesting how they have them packed like this, like some kind of, and you can see them inside. I think they're bigger. I know they're the same. Okay, so the other one was vacuum packed. Okay, we have one here, one piece. And how to open it from, I'll open it from this side. Okay. I just want to get one out to see the size and compare. 10 pieces, so it's more than the other one. But these were cheaper. So these were 5 pieces. These are 10 pieces. So these are the bearings. They are the same size. Exactly the same size. They are the same size, but these ones, these black ones, they supposedly they're more advanced than the blue ones. They even have some kind of markings on the side. ABEC 9 2RS. So APE ABEC 9 686 2RS. That's the size. There are no markings on this side, and here also no markings. So the middle is fixed now. They still move freely, so that's okay. These are the bearings. I will try to install them in the Speed Editor and see. First I will try these ones because they're supposedly more precise. And I should get one more out of the box to install them later. Okay, one more. The Speed Editor has 2 bearings like this in the wheel. in this wheel, you see how it's moving. Yeah, that's the bearing, hopefully not something else. I will try to install these two in the Speed Editor and see how they go, how they behave, how they fix it, the problem. If not, it's okay. I will try to use the blue ones, and anything should be better than how the Speed Editor is now. And in general, these ones are for RC cars, and the other one, I don't know what they're supposedly officially for, but they could be for anything, for skateboards, for roller skating, but the size is what matters and the precision level, not exactly what they're officially made for. I hope this fixes the Speed Editor, and I'll make a future video about replacing them and see how that goes. Thanks for watching. I'll make a future video about how that goes, if they are good for me, for my use case. They are metal, so they are made of steel, I think. Metal. Thanks for watching.